Does the universe hide within its vast expanse, particles yet undiscovered and mysteries yet to be unraveled? The story of the Higgs boson, the elusive particle that has changed our understanding of the cosmos, seems to suggest so. Our tale begins with a British scientist named Peter Higgs, a man who, despite describing himself as incompetent at school physics, went on to make a discovery that would alter the course of scientific history. Initially, Higgs was more inclined towards maths and chemistry, but he found his true calling in theoretical physics inspired by quantum physicist Paul Dirac. In the early 60s, Higgs put forth a theory that would solve the riddle of where several fundamental particles get their mass from. He proposed that they interact with an invisible Higgs field that pervades space. This interaction, now known as the Brute-Englert-Higgs mechanism, would eventually win Higgs and Belgium's François Englert the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2013. However, the road to discovery was not a smooth one. In 1964, Higgs' first paper on the model was rejected by an academic physics journal at CERN as being of no relevance to physics. Undeterred, Higgs revised his paper, explicitly predicting the existence of a new particle that would later bear his name. It took nearly 3 decades of physicists at CERN and Fermilab in Chicago replicating the Big Bang by smashing particles together before the existence of the Higgs boson could be proven. In 2012, CERN's massive Large Hadron Collider finally cracked the nut, and 2 experiments independently found the Higgs boson. The discovery of the Higgs boson completed the standard model of physics, but its full understanding remains a work in progress. This elusive particle has allowed theoreticians to turn their attention to the vast portion of the universe that remains unexplained and explore esoteric ideas such as the possibility of parallel universes. Peter Higgs, a remarkable individual and a truly gifted scientist, passed away peacefully at home following a short illness. His legacy, however, remains. His vision and imagination have enriched our knowledge of the world and the cosmos that surrounds us. The Higgs boson discovery was a milestone in our understanding of nature. It is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that the universe still holds many secrets, waiting patiently for the next Peter Higgs to unlock them.